Hello friends, welcome to the 100th day of code in Python, and in this class we will be learning a module, what is module and what is pip. In this class I will be telling you and I will be coding and I will be tell you in the what is module with what is module, difference between module and pip, and I will be also coding what is pip in command prompt. Okay, so now I will be not take a long time, so let's start the video. First of all, I will be open my replit and I will be open my replit like that, and now I will be create a replit like Python, and here we can write hello.py and then create replit. And now first of all I will be tell you what is module and pip. First of all we will be learn what is pip. The standard package manager for Python is a pip. Okay, the standard package manager means the standard package the manager for Python is pip. It's allow you to install and manage packages that aren't and part of the Python standard library. Okay, understand it? And if you are looking for an introduction to pip, then we come to the right place. Okay, so you can run and what is a pip. And like I will be go to the here. Pip will help to download the extents. Pip is help to download the modules and extensions. Like here we can write pip, and I will be like pandas. You can only get pip pandas, so it will give you errors. Why? Because I will be install pandas. It will know what is pandas. You can write pip install pandas. Then it will know pandas is a string. So it will be easily downloading. Here you can see it, and you can download many things using to the pip. Okay, so understand it the pip, and now okay you can understand it the what is pip. Okay, and now I will be go to the modules. What is module? A module is a Python object with arbitrarily named attribute that can you bind and reference. Okay, and simple a module is a file consisting of a Python code. A module can define function. Module define a function, classes, variables. A module can also include runnable code. Understand it? So in this class I will be tell you what is module and what is pip in Python. And in next class is coming our first code of Python. We can write the first code of Python in my next class. So get ready. Our first code, our first program in Python I will be tell you next class. So get ready for it. So I will not take you long time. So I will meet you next class of 100 code. Okay, 100 projects of code. Okay, so now for today, goodbye.